Ever found yourself pondering over how to make a delectable egg salad for sandwiches? Well, today is your lucky day. We're about to walk you through a simple yet delightful recipe that will leave your taste buds craving for more. First off, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a dash of salt and black pepper, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a quarter cup of finely chopped celery. Also, have your favorite bread ready for the sandwich. Start by peeling the hard-boiled eggs. Once peeled, chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. The size of the pieces depends on your preference. Some prefer larger chunks for an added bite, while others fancy smaller pieces for a smoother texture. Next, in a separate bowl, mix the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, salt, black pepper, and fresh lemon juice. This blend forms the dressing for your egg salad. Remember, the balance of flavors is key here. The tangy mustard, the creamy mayonnaise, the zing of fresh lemon juice, all laced with a hint of salt and pepper, should harmonize beautifully. Now add the finely chopped celery to the dressing. The celery lends a fresh, crunchy texture to the salad, creating a delightful contrast against the smooth, creamy eggs. Once the dressing is ready, add the chopped eggs. Gently fold the eggs into the dressing, ensuring every bit is well coated. The secret here is to be gentle. You want to maintain the integrity of the egg pieces and not mash them into a paste. And there you have it, a luscious, creamy egg salad, ready to be slathered onto your favorite bread. Whether you prefer a classic white bread, a healthy whole grain, or even a crusty baguette, this egg salad will elevate your sandwich to a whole new level. In summary, making an egg salad for sandwiches involves boiling and chopping eggs, preparing a dressing with mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, adding celery for a crunchy texture, and finally, combining the eggs with the dressing. Perfect for a quick lunch, a picnic, or even as a side dish, this egg salad is sure to win hearts and satiate appetites. So, the next time you find yourself craving something creamy, tangy, and utterly delicious, remember this simple yet versatile egg salad recipe. After all, there's nothing like a good homemade egg salad sandwich. Enjoy!